Shalom, everyone. This is Rabbi Yonatan with my weekly Parsha thought. And we're coming into two related parashiot, Vayakhel, Pikudei. These two Torah portions speak about the Mishkan and the Kohanim and the clothing that the Kohanim wear as two main themes. Now, the term Klei Kodesh is one that everyone should know. It means holy vessels, right? So we have holy vessels. We had holy vessels in the Mishkan. But also Klei Kodesh refers, as I told our Gabaim this week, the people who help with the service, to people. We are also holy vessels. Now this week, the Klei Kodesh that we are going to talk about are the ones that were in the Mishkan, that were in the sanctuary, and one in which we still have a remnant, a very important central remnant today, and that is the Aron HaKodesh. The Aron HaKodesh, the Holy Ark, which in our day contains the Sifrei Torah, the Torahs, and in ancient times, in the Torah itself, had the Luchot, it had the tablets with the Ten Commandments. It says in this week's Torah portion that the Klei Kodesh, meaning all of those artisans, all of those who worked on the Mishkan, made all of the vessels who were holy vessels, people made all of the holy vessels, like the menorah and like the lamps and the table and all the different things that were in the Mishkan. But also those people are called Klei Kodesh, also those artisans. In this particular parsha, we hear about the Klei Kodesh and how they made all of the different implements of the Mishkan. But when it comes to the Aron HaKodesh, it says, Vaya'as Bitzalel et Aaron. It doesn't say that they all made the Aron HaKodesh, but only one, Bitzalel, the master craftsman, the master artist of the Mishkan and of the Holy Sanctuary. Now this, I think, is important, and the Meshech Chochmah goes on to talk about why only one person and why this person. And it is because the Aron HaKodesh is so sacred, it is so holy, and what is in it is so holy that it had to be done by the master craftsman. Of all of the beauty of the sanctuary, this has to be the centerpiece. It has to be the most beautiful and the most ornate thing that we have, not because we're stuck on the exteriors of things, but because of an idea of hidur mitzvah, of making a mitzvah beautiful. It shows how much we care. It shows how much we have love in our hearts for what it contains. And so, the Aron HaKodesh, the Holy Ark, made not by the Klei Kodesh, all of the artisans, but the Klei Kodesh of Bitzalel, the one made in the image, in the shadow of El, of God. And so too, this Shabbat and next Shabbat, I not only want to talk about the Mishkan and about the Kohanim, I want to talk about us. I want to talk about our holy space. I want to talk about the way in which we dress and make this place more special, more holy on the outside, but also on the inside. Shabbat Shalom.